Tanisha Shanee, and I am an inspirational speaker. I am a lifestyle strategist and a college professor. For the last few months, many professors, educators as a whole, have been faced with such the biggest challenge. They are now entering a world that some of them never prepared for, they never anticipated on being a part of. And I understand how that feels. For the last 10 years, I have been teaching adults in various institutions and colleges throughout New York. And unlike many, I have a passion and love for online learning. And what I have been doing for the last couple of months to help ease and to guide other educators who don't have the tools, who don't have the knowledge base, who don't have the coaching to go through this process. I have been providing opportunities to work with individuals one-on-one to give them the coaching and the mentoring and showing them how to execute a successful, effective, and engaging online course. Now, it's not easy. I know it's not. Many people think that teaching online is just like teaching in a classroom. And in the beginning of my career, I thought the same exact thing, but it's not. It's two different worlds. What many places are not able to do is to take the hands of those that really need that one-on-one guidance and help them and show them and strategize with them of how to provide an online course, how to design it in a way that your students are going to be engaged, that they're going to want to come back and eager to come every week. Have an easy navigation to understand, how is this class designed? What do I need to do? And the one thing that I really pride myself on, especially as an e-learning specialist, is helping you to see a course in the eyes of a student, to give you the insight of what your students are going to look for on the first day. Because many of our students, they're not prepared. They never anticipated on taking online courses. Many of them signed up to go to school in a physical classroom, to meet you, to hear you every single day or twice a week, however the schedule operates. So if you are finding yourself struggling, confused, angry, upset, and totally lost, you are not alone. You have a resource. You have someone that cares, that understands, that is patient, and that is willing to take this journey with you, as you are not only designing your course, but to help you to utilize the various tools and to expose you to the different e-learning tools that can bring your class to life. You don't have to enter fall 2020 lost, but you can end it as a champion. I would love to be a part of that journey with you. So if you are looking for that one-on-one guidance and you are willing to take that step and say, I need help and I need someone to go through this process with me, I am definitely here. So you can click on the link at the bottom and you can schedule a free 20-minute consultation, and you and I can start to strategize as to how we can move forward and working together so that you can be better prepared for this upcoming semester and beyond. Because I'm here to tell you, online learning is not going away. Even after COVID-19 is over and we have vaccinations, it's really going to be here for a long time. But it's such an exciting time because there's so many opportunities to learn new things and to really expand. Online learning can help to enhance even when we get back to back on campus or back in the classrooms. It can really enhance. So I would love to show you all of those aspects and help bring it to life. So again, I am Tanisha Shanee. I am Miss Inspiration, but at this moment, I am Professor Inspiration, and I'm here to be a part of your learning and your journey as you are navigating this online obstacle that I call online virtual learning. Have a great one, and I look forward to speaking to you soon.